Hi guys, it's me, and today we're talking about something that doesn't just light up your screen, it redefines what a projector can be. Right here, I've got the BenQ LU935, a DLP laser projector that might not scream flashy at first glance, but once it powers up, you'll know this is a serious piece of hardware. So let's break this down. This isn't your average living room projector. This beast is pushing 6,000 lumens. And to put that into perspective, that's bright enough to cut through ambient light like a hot knife through butter. Boardroom? Lecture hall? Handled. Ambient light from that window you forgot to cover? Doesn't matter. The LU935 handles it without even breaking a sweat. And the resolution? We're talking WUXGA, that's 1920 by 1200. It's just above full HD and made to match widescreen formats, which makes it perfect for presentations, widescreen video playback, or stacking content side by side. In short, it's a workhorse built for clarity and detail. Now, contrast ratio, 3:0:0:0:0:0 to 1. Yeah, that's not a typo. It's powered by laser tech that doesn't just push brightness, it balances deep blacks and vibrant whites in a way that traditional lamp-based systems just can't. Think of it like this. It's not just about how bright it can get, it's about how well it can control that brightness. That's what makes the difference between washed-out visuals and visuals that pop. On the audio front, you're looking at dual 10W speakers. Now, granted, no built-in projector speaker is going to replace a good external sound system, but for classrooms, business setups, or quick plug-and-play sessions, these actually punch above their weight. Clear vocals, crisp highs, not too shabby at all. Connectivity? This is where it gets real interesting. You've got HDMI, of course, no surprise there, but also RS232, USB, and crucially HDBaseT. If you know, you know. HDBaseT means you can send high-def video, audio, Ethernet, and even control signals over a single Cat5e or Cat6 cable up to 100 meters. That's a game changer for installations, especially when ceiling mounting or running long-distance connections. Build-wise, it's very BenQ. Matte white finish, subtle curves, good ventilation. It's not screaming for attention, but it looks clean, modern, and ready to disappear into a ceiling mount without making a scene. Function over flash. And honestly, that's what I want in a professional-grade projector. Boot time is almost instant, thanks to the laser engine. No more waiting forever for the lamp to warm up. You're getting up to 20,000 hours of laser life, which means you'll probably upgrade the tech before this thing ever quits on you. That's low maintenance and no lamp replacements. Just plug in, power on, and go. And here's something subtle but important. This projector is built for 24/7 operation. That means you can run it non-stop in digital signage, museums, control rooms, or even hardcore esports setups without worrying about thermal throttling or performance dips. It's engineered for endurance. Let's talk about precision. The LU935 supports vertical and horizontal lens shift, corner fit, 2D keystone correction, and digital zoom. Translation: it doesn't matter if your installation isn't perfectly centered, you still get a square, sharp, focused image without awkward stretching or blurring. And if you're worried about security or enterprise deployment, it's Crestron, AMX, and PJ-Link compatible. That means full control over the network, scheduled power on, remote troubleshooting, all the stuff IT admins geek out over. So, who is this really for? If you're setting up a high-end conference room, a bright classroom, or a permanent museum installation, this is the kind of projector you want to rely on. It's not trying to be the flashiest or the cheapest. It's made for consistency, reliability, and serious visuals in professional settings. Look, I review a lot of projectors and I love the 4K home theater stuff, the crazy ultra-short throw models, and all the futuristic ambient light rejection screens. But when it comes to raw performance and no compromise functionality in professional environments, this LU935. It's a tank. No fans screaming, no overheating, no weird startup glitches. Just laser precision, flexible mounting, excellent contrast, and enough brightness to handle basically any room you throw it in. So if you're someone who needs that level of performance, whether you're installing it in an auditorium, streaming visuals in a retail space, or just want something that works every time, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Alright guys, that's it from me today. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Go hit that. Make sure you're subscribed if you want more reviews like this. No fluff, just tech that delivers. Catch you in the next one.